Under attack from the Congress party over its poverty figures, the Gujarat government has tied itself in knots, saying that poverty increased in Gujarat on account of increased number of migrant workers. Gujarat's finance minister Nitin Patel's comments came a day after the Gujarat government was attacked over its poverty figures and the 11 rupee poverty baseline. Putting the responsibility of fixing norms on the union government, Gujarat government spokesperson and the state finance minister Nitin Patel also added that criteria for beyond poverty line in a family was actually fixed by the center.
कोई भी राज्य से कोई भी समझ लो कि और राज्य से कोई बीपीएल परिवार गुजरात में रहने को नौकरी व्यवसाय के लिए आता है, अगर यहाँ स्थायी होता है तो उनको भी बीपीएल लाभार्थी होने का अधिकार है और उनको भी हम ये व्यवस्था देते हैं। तो एक तो नंबर 1 और राज्य से जो लोग आते हैं वो भी इसमें बढ़ते हैं। जो आबादी भी बढ़ रही है, 6 करोड़ की आबादी हुई, वो भी बढ़ रही है।
Patel's comments that poverty is there in Gujarat because of migrant workers from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and other poor states has stirred a hornet's nest. Taking a dig, Congress leader Shakil Ahmed tweeted, Modi government says poverty has increased in the past 10 years due to arrival of poor people from other states. Are poor people coming only to Gujarat? Reminding Modi and his party that BJP had made a big issue of planning commission's BPL figures of 32 rupees a day. The Congress questioned how can the Modi government fix the BPL limit at 11 rupees. Let's listen in to Arjun Modwadia.
नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार के जो स्पोक्सपर्सन ने बात बताई कि गुजरात में गरीबी तो है, लेकिन ये गरीबी परप्रांतियों की वजह से है। मैं मानता हूँ कि ये द्वेषपूर्ण निवेदन है और दूसरे प्रांतों के लोगों के अपमानित करने के लिए किया गया है। यहाँ तो कई शहरों में बाहर से लोग आए हुए हैं, लेकिन रूरल में जो पॉवर्टी आज है, ग्रामीण विस्तार में जो गरीबी है, वो तो सरकार की नीतियों से बनी है। और अर्बन एरिया में भी जो बाहर से लोग आए हैं, उन्होंने आज अर्बन एरिया को समृद्ध किया है।
And joining me now for more on the stories, headlines today is Atir Khan. Atir, the opposition is describing the statement as extremely insensitive, that migrant labor from UP and Bihar is the reason for poverty figures in Gujarat. How is the BJP reacting to this?
Well, that's right. We know that it is yet again such a statement has come. We know that such statements have come in the case of Delhi, Mumbai, and now even when it comes to Gujarat, Ahmedabad, it is being taken very seriously. It does not go down well at all. We are yet to get a reaction from BJP, but it has certainly given cue to opposition to attack the party.
Now the BJP may turn around and say that the 11 rupee poverty figure is taken from the center itself, but not many takers for an extremely insensitive comment made by Nitin Patel, the state finance minister, saying it's the migrant labor that causes poverty, because Shakil Ahmed is right. Migrant labor doesn't only go to Gujarat, it goes to all states across the country.
Well, that's right. We know that it's a secular country and there is a free movement in the country, and it would be highly inappropriate for a leader and of a ruling party to say that the poverty is on account of the transaction or the movement of people across the country. So this statement does not certainly go down well, and as I've told you, it has given cue to the opposition to take on the party.
Of course, the BJP will find it hard to defend this statement of Nitin Patel, especially given the fact that the BJP had taken on the Congress, Atir, on the 32 rupees a day BPL figures that Montek Singh Ahluwalia came out with.
So that's right. It has come full round. The entire issue. Now the BJP, the Gujarat government is being criticized for, sort of propounding the same sort of projection which came from the center, for which it was, criticized in a big way by the BJP itself. So now they are justifying that these are the planning commission figures. These have been taken from the center.
Okay.
But yet again, it has come full round. It has turned full 360 degrees and come back to the BJP.